This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Alex Duetto here. So this customer had an issue with their steam boiler not filling. So what I did is I took off the check valve at the bottom of the machine underneath here, and cleaned it up, serviced that check valve, and put it back in. And I did the same with the solenoid valve up on top here. And then I descaled the whole machine thoroughly, and now everything's working great. No problems at all, and I've been testing the machine for the past maybe 35 minutes, so I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to fill up this pitcher with about 8 ounces of water, and then we can hear the boiler fill. The boiler's filling, and there we go. So no problems with the boiler filling anymore, and you can see just put it right into the drip tray. We've got water coming out of the brew boiler. Yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.